the motocross is my life, and when I was young, my grandfather and my father he ride with the bike. It's my life. I no see the different life for me. I'm David Philippars, I'm number 19 and I race MX1.
When I was young, I was riding bicycle because my parents have not a lot of money. Then my father, by my first 85 Yamaha, I started to ride. The motocross for me was a passion, I'm Paulin, number 21 in MX2.
When I was really 4 years old, my dad used to race, and then I didn't know really anything else. I tried different sports, but nothing was really liking. When I was in school, I had to do 1 day of school, and then I did like work in a garage. Then you really decide to be a motocross rider because it's more easy and more fun than working from morning to night. 2010, number 9, MX1.
2010 we start again new season, and for me I'm very happy. The bike changed a lot, and I want to work very hard, and I want to go to my best.
I was working so hard this winter, so for sure 2010 for me, my goal is to be world champion. I read a lot about Yamaha Monster Energy Team Motocross. I want the best bike to start on the front and fight on the front, but I know we can do it.
In 2010 it's a big step changing to Yamaha, and knowing that Yamaha had already a few titles and been a good bike all year. Also with the change of the bike, I feel really comfortable on it, and I really look forward to be a step closer to the world title, and that's my only goal for this season. Since the first time I stepped on it, I felt really good. It feels like a light bike and really nice to turn and everything. It feels more like 250 up than a 450 really, and the power also was amazing from standard engine already.
The original bike, the chassis is strong, the maneuverability is incredible. I can do what I want with my bike.
Yeah, I feel good. The last 5 years I'm very good condition. I'm in the top rider to the world, and I'm very happy, and every year is different. It's good riding with the bike, and I like when go training or go in the race.
Yamaha Monster Energy motocross team. It's like a big family to go walk every day, to do some moto, to be fit. It's just easy to do. We all have the same goal with the team, and we all have the same passion, so it's cool.